I am the Evo Nano, and I was born colorful. I have 4 color combinations. You can put me in your pocket. I'm easy to fold. As your smart miniature selfie drone, I can go wherever you go. I have a large f1.9 aperture and a 1/1.28-inch CMOS sensor that lets me gather more light. With my 4K camera and HDR capabilities, you can clearly record the beauty of life. Use me to take selfies with one click. Panoramic, medium shot, or close shot. Switch it up however you like. At your command, I follow objects automatically, and my battery gives you the freedom to command the skies for nearly 30 minutes. Want to change angles? Just one click. South, east, north, west. Just tell me where you want me to go. At only 249 grams, I can be with you for every part of your journey. What else can I do? Automatic obstacle avoidance. To dodge objects in front, behind, or below. Quick autofocus to help you snap objects fast or slow. First time as a pilot? No need to worry. Just click one button and I'll do all the heavy lifting. Flick, fade away, orbit, rocket. Done shooting? Upload photos and videos wirelessly at 160 megabits per second. Then create beautiful videos with ready-made templates, so you can edit and share in seconds. With Autel Skylink video transmission, you can take pictures anytime, anywhere. I am the Evo Nano, your smart mini selfie drone.
DJI Avata accessory replacement. Before replacement, it is recommended to remove the battery and propellers of the aircraft for follow-up operations. Detaching the propeller guard. Remove the 2 screws on the vision sensor module. Gently lift the module, and then disconnect the FPC connector. Remove the 4 screws on the left and right antenna covers. Remove the antenna covers, pinch, and pull the tabs to take out the antenna boards. And then take out the antenna cables along the cable group. Remove the 2 screws on the top of the aircraft. Remove the 4 screws on the bottom of the aircraft. Gently turn the propeller guard left and right to remove it. Do not pull out the propeller guard with force to avoid damaging the cables. Attaching the propeller guard. Fix the antenna cables in the cable slot on the center module. Adjust the direction of the propeller guard to align with the square groove at the rear with the battery port. Pass the 2 antenna boards through the hole in the center of the propeller guard. Slowly press down the side close to the cables, and then press down the other side. Gently turn the propeller guard left and right to make sure that it is properly attached. Check the L and R marks on the antenna boards, and then align them with the marks on the propeller guard. Align and tightly install the antenna board to the corresponding position on the landing gear. Insert the end of the antenna cover into the landing gear, pressing the antenna cover to fit the propeller guard. Arrange the antenna cable to fix in the cable groove, making sure that the antenna reaches the bottom. Pressing the antenna cover to fit the propeller guard. Tighten the 2 fixing screws. Install the other side of the antenna and antenna cover in the same way. After the installation is complete, tighten the 4 fixing screws on the bottom of the aircraft. Please note that the 2 screws on the rear side of the bottom are relatively longer and thinner. Tighten the 2 fixing screws on the top of the aircraft. Before installing the vision sensor module, connect the FPC cable to the corresponding port tightly to prevent the port from being damaged or connection failure. During installation, make sure that the FPC cable is completely placed inside the propeller guard. And then tighten the 2 screws, M2 by 6.3 millimeters. Now you have completed the replacement of the propeller guard. Replacing the upper frame. Remove the 6 screws on the bottom center mounting board. remove the 2 screws on the upper frame and GNSS bracket. Gently remove the upper frame to avoid damage caused by pulling the GNSS bracket. Before replacing the upper frame, check whether the coaxial cable is loose. Install the upper frame to the aircraft mounting board. Tighten the 6 screws, M1.6 by 5 mm, on the bottom. Adjust the position of the GNSS module so that the screw holes on the module are aligned with the screw holes on both sides of the upper frame. Tighten the 2 screws, M2 by 4.3 mm, on the upper frame and GNSS bracket. Replacing the propellers. Install the marked propeller on the corresponding marked motor. The propeller positioning notch needs to be installed in the small hole of the motor. Use M2 by 7 mm screws to lock the propeller. In the same way, install the unmarked propellers on the unmarked motors. After installation, turn the propellers to check whether there is deformation or contact with the propeller guard. Now you have completed the replacement of the propellers.
What do you need for incredible aerial imaging? A brilliant camera, an aircraft you can trust, and the intelligence to make every shot cinematic. The new Phantom 4 Pro has all this and much more. The Phantom 4 Pro camera has an f2.8 aperture, mechanical shutter, and large 1-inch sensor, coming together to make brighter, more detailed imagery. Record cinematic 4K video at higher bit rates with more advanced compression and a wider dynamic range. 4K 60 frames per second recording gives you stunning, detailed, slow-motion aerial video. The Phantom 4 Pro is as adept at stills as it is with video, capturing every detail at 20 megapixels. Its mechanical shutter eliminates rolling shutter bending. Grab the perfect moment using burst mode. All of this makes the Phantom 4 Pro the most advanced aerial camera ever found in the Phantom series.
The Phantom 4 Pro is now a huge step forward. I'm taking photos of the lava when it's darker out and the glow of the lava is coming off of it. The image sensor that's in this camera now is 1-inch sensor, 20 megapixels. That extra dynamic range allows me to really get everything into one shot, and in the landscape, that's extremely important.
See your shot clearly, even in direct sunlight, with the new ultra-bright 5.5-inch monitor that's more than twice as bright as most tablets. Inside is DJI Light Bridge technology. It automatically detects interference and switches from 2.4 to 5.8 gigahertz transmission at takeoff, cutting through the noise for more reliability.
The built-in monitor on the Phantom 4 Pro is so bright. I'm actually able to see in direct sunlight, and that's really allowing me to compose my shot and get what I really want to capture.
Active Track has now been expanded with 3 new intelligent flight modes. Profile tracks your subject horizontally from any side. Spotlight locks the camera on a subject while you fly in almost any direction. Circle swings 360 degrees around the subject. Tap Fly has also been improved, adding reverse tap fly, making it perfect for aerial selfies. Flying the Phantom 4 Pro is even more worry-free. A set of rear visual sensors has been added to existing forward and downward sensors. Combined with new infrared obstacle sensors on its sides, the Phantom 4 Pro has 5 directions of sensing. If image signal is lost, it returns home while dynamically avoiding obstacles, and even flies back along its original flight path until signal is regained. Every minute in the air counts. The new high-capacity battery flight time has been increased to 30 minutes. When it comes to speed, the Phantom 4 Pro is 10 miles per hour faster with full support of its obstacle sensing systems. With its stunning camera, 1-inch sensor, ultra-bright monitor, obstacle sensing, and intelligence, the Phantom 4 Pro brings professional quality aerial imaging and flight capabilities to more pilots around the world.